Zavira from class 9. As you all know, we came to CCMB to participate in Antimicrobial Awareness Week. Today is day second, and we learned so many things here. Day one, we went to lab and we did some experiments. And today we went to a lab to see the results. And they conducted so many activities. Uh, they did activities superheroes against superbugs, and they how antibiotics work, and when antibiotics don't work, and we learned so many things. They taught us how antibiotics work in bacteria, and when does antibiotics don't work. In that lab, we saw the results. The bacteria is grown in Cannabacteria resistance and doesn't grow in no resistance, because there is no resistance in second media. The plate is divided into two medias, Cannabacteria resistance and no resistance. The bacteria is grown only Cannabacteria resistance, but the bacteria is doesn't grow in second media. That is because there is no resistance. And they taught us is superheroes against superbugs. In that we learned how antibiotics work and how antibiotics doesn't work, when they work and when doesn't work. Also, in one activity, they taught us to stand in one line. In that activity, they were asked some questions. If the question is right, we
True.
have to forward one step, and if the answer is false, we have to back step. We have to.
Hi, I'm Sivika Nadu, studying 8th class in Bright Stars High School. Today is day 2. We learned about how antibiotics work on bacteria and how antibiotics don't work on bacteria. And we did many activities, superheroes against superbugs. And day 1 we did many experiments in lab. We saw the experiments. Bacteria is growing. Antibiotic cambial resistance grow in bacteria, and another plate is not grow bacteria because there is no bacteria. Bacteria has binary fission. They divide into two. They divide into 20 minutes. Divide when bacteria divide.
The back.
Every group member come forward, each one, and stand in a line. They put chocolates in the thread. We don't jump to get. We have to stand right there, and we have to uh, pick pick it. That means antibiotics work on bacteria only. Antibiotics don't work on viruses because viruses change their shapes. So that's why antibiotics don't work on viruses. And given homework, make a poster, and they role play. Tomorrow we have to see CCMB lab. We have to visit like CCMB many activities. Many other heroes against superbugs. They sheets. We saw the experiment, and we write the results. Antibiotics steps, we have to complete the 7 steps. The microorganisms dead. Do and don't Antibiotics don't work on viruses. Thank you.